What's going on, Deep Dive Spear Crew? Rock here working on the 1973 222. Got various things going on today. I'm going to take and finish up my tank cradle right here. You can see started out with some Kusa board, then I laminated chop strand on both sides, cut these wedges out of Kusa, took some thickened resin, attached them to the Kusa board, came over top with them. Well, came in here and rounded these edges with some thickened resin. Came over top with 1708, cured it out. This is some half-inch rubberized material. It goes on the bottom of weight rooms and stuff like that. It's just a piece I had, a scrap piece laying around. And I cut it to fit over top of this. And you guys know what this is right here. The old 5200. I'm gonna grease this up, slap this down, lay the tank in the cradle right here, put a little bit of weight on top of it, and let that seat up. But first, I need to take the screws off of the mounts right here that I have attached to the sawhorses. I don't want to seal those up and not be able to get to them. Make a mess here. I'll also be using 5200 to place this cradle in the bottom of the boat. Use 5200 in places where you have no intention of removing anything. And I have no intention of removing this once it's in there. Ooh, feel my hands. Got arthritis. That should be good. It's about a half a tube. 200. I don't want to schmooze it around too much, because you'll notice it'll make a mess. getting ready to do some tie-ins on these stringers. I'm going to wrap this over the top right here. Cut these 30-inch pieces, and I got some scrap right here too. This is all scrap from whenever I laminated the stringers themselves. I'll take this, let it go right over top of that, and go down through there. I need to notch that out a little bit more with my scissors just to make sure it lays like I want it to.